The old garage behind Barry Lewis's Rhondda home is a hive of artistic activity. The former carpenter from Cymru Wales has turned his hand to a new skill, sculpting forms from reclaimed wood and stone, but more controversially from the debris of modern society.
This is Cyberfly. It's made from mainly gramophone parts, an old TV aerial, and a number of gypsum alabaster from Penarth Beach. Well, I've always been sort of interested in taking things apart, especially as a child, and I've got hold of a lot of old broken videos and electronic things, and I just take them apart and I find inspiration in various shapes and the colours.
Much of Barry's work has an environmental message promoting recycling. This creation, Landfill Resistor, joined protesters at the nearby Nhonypandy tip, a cause Barry believes in passionately.
It's all to do with space, you know. The only place they could find to throw all the rubbish was on top of a mountain. Maybe they shouldn't be throwing it anywhere. They should be looking at recycling as much of it as they can. Because most things are recyclable in one way or another.
Barry's creations have already been exhibited at the Heifer Gallery in London, but he admits the rubbish art isn't a big seller. It's now on show and sale at the Rhondda Heritage Park, where his more conventional sculptures can also be seen. But for Barry, artistic expression and his environmental message are more important than outright commercial success.